Today, we've packaged a beer called Yola Mango. This beer is really close to my heart. It's actually the first commercial recipe that I have ever made. The first time I brewed this beer was back in Asheville, North Carolina. It started out as a homebrew recipe for me way back in the day that I actually got to scale up to commercial scales. I feel like it was a beer that was a bit ahead of its time. So we were actually using an English ale blend. We were using Citra and Amarillo hops, and then we were finishing it off with a bit of actual fresh mango in it. Just more to add fruity complexity. The beer Yola Mango is supposed to just be a pinch of mango. Just a little bit in there to kind of kick along the hop profile, to kick along the juiciness of the beer, and at the end of the day to make it a really refreshing, just enjoyable IPA.